Headline: Presidential poll disputes. Why Iñêc can't defend Tinubu'S qualifications, says Atiku Abubakar. You're welcome to this news, and thank you for tuning in to this channel. Now to the news details. Please listen to the end. A former vice president and candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in the last presidential election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, on Friday, berated the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for filing processes to defend the qualifications of the president-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Atiku Abubakar maintained that it was wrong for the electoral body to throw its weight behind the president-elect, whose election victory is being challenged in courts, while accusing INEC of fighting a proxy war for Tinubu. The PDP chief candidate, who came second in the presidential election held on February 25, through his team of lawyers, led by Chief Chris Uche San, urged the Presidential Election Petition Courts, sitting in Abuja, to dismiss a counter-affidavit and preliminary objection the Commission filed to challenge his petition. According to Atiku, INEC lacked the legal capacity to defend the controversy surrounding Tinubu's educational qualifications, his age, as well as his alleged indictment in a drug-related case in the United States of America, INEC, USA. He contended that INEC, being the umpire that conducted the election, ought to remain neutral in the case. Atiku's lawyer had the resumed proceedings in the matter, notified the courts that there were 7 pending applications, among which he said included the one that INEC sought the striking out of 32 paragraphs of the petition relating to Tinubu's qualifications. Uche San prayed the courts to not only dismiss INEC's preliminary objection, but to also declare it as a gross abuse of the judicial process. All that INEC has done is to ask for averments that were against Tinubu to be struck out. INEC is fighting a proxy war for Tinubu, which a neutral umpire is not expected to do. This is very wrong, my lords, Atiku's lawyer added. However, INEC, which is the first respondent in the matter, through its team of lawyers led by Mr. Abubakar Mahmood San, asked the court to either strike out the said paragraphs or dismiss the entire petition for want of competence. Likewise, Tinubu's lawyer, Chief Wole Olanipekun San, and that of the APC, Prince Lateef Fagbemi San, equally drew the attention of the courts to processes they also filed for the petition to be dismissed. The Justice Aruna Tesmani-led 5-member panel subsequently adjourned the case till Saturday to conclude the pre-hearing session. The court held that its ruling on all the preliminary objections would be delivered before its final judgment on the case. The development came on a day the court equally adjourned another petition that was brought before it by the presidential candidates of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, till Saturday. Immediately, Obi's petition was called up for hearing and lawyers were asked to announce their appearances. Chief Oba Madubushi San stood up and told the court that he was briefed to represent the Labour Party. The senior lawyer addressed the court after Prof. Awakalu San, who appeared alongside 5 other sons, had already announced his presence as counsels for the petitioners. Concerning the qualifications of Tinubu, recall that the opposition parties, PDP, Labour Party, are challenging the result in courts, and Atiku actually wrote petitions. The petitions in which is against Tinubu filed concerning his drug abuse, his educational qualifications, and also his age. Now, Iñêc is not a political party. Iñêc is not supposed to support any party. They are supposed to be neutral. But why is Iñêc backing the All Progressives Congress? That means that there is a game in which Iñêc is playing and do not want the entire world to know about it. So Iñêc actually lacked the legal capacity to defend the controversy that is surrounding Tinubu's educational qualifications, Tinubu's age, as well as his indictment in a drug-related case in the United States of America. Now, these 3 things are part of the petitions that were written by the Labour Party and the People's Democratic Party, PDP. The Iñêc needs to remain neutral in any case relating to to the parties. Iñêc is not a party. Even if they are the one to declare the winner, they are not to support any party. It means that they are trying to stay at the back of a particular party or a ruling party, which is not supposed to be so. So Atiku lawyers actually notified the courts that those petitions, which he said included the one that Iñêc sought the striking out of 32 paragraphs of the petition relating to Tinubu's qualification. So he needs to notify the courts, so the courts can know that this is what they are standing on, these are their petitions, and also Iñêc preliminary objection should be dismissed because it is like a gross abuse of judicial process. We have come to the end of the news. What's your take? Please share your view in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you.